Good morning. It's Wednesday, September 17th. My name is Sofia Cruz and welcome back to the Mina Markets podcast. And so I'll be talking about what's shaping the markets today. And today, more specifically, it's Wednesday, September 17th, and it's the Fed meeting, and it's the day we've been all waiting for. And it's for years, it's all been kumbaya, no beef, just rate hikes or cuts on autopilot. But today, someone might actually go off script, and we're going to be really attentive to that. Most economists actually think it's a 25 bip cut, and like a baby trim, not just enough to say, yeah, jobs are slowing, inflation's sticky, we're listening, cool. But President Trump's yelling for a 300 bip cut. Talking about Trump and the Fed, Stephen Myron. Who is Stephen Myron? Trump's shiny new Fed guy. That's how I would put it in words. And it's his first meeting. It's his first vote. If he goes for a 50 bip cut just to flex, Waller and Bauman might follow. And remember, Waller kind of wants Powell's job, so the vibes are going to be a little bit messy today. If we get a 25 bip cut, tech stocks will be affected positively. And if we get a 50 bip cut, that's going to be great news for banks, housing companies, and like airlines. But if we get no cut, there's not a high probability for that to happen, then consumer stocks will feel the pain. But actually, you have to set your alarm for 2 p.m. today, Wall Street time. Like, set an alarm, listen to what the Fed has to say, because this is also, they're going to tell us what's going to be happening for the rest of the year. Like, not just this, but also how they're going to approach the future. And another huge topic is TikTok. Oracle, Andreessen Horowitz, Silver Lake, they are teaming up to grab the U.S. business. And most people question what's going to happen to ByteDance, the parent company for TikTok. Actually, they will get shoved down 20%. And most people are wondering what's going to happen to the parent company, which is ByteDance. Actually, they will get shoved down under 20% ownership. And actually, TikTok's valued at $35 to $40 billion. And so Oracle will stay in charge of the cloud. Then that's called Project Texas, so you remember. And then ByteDance will basically rent out the algorithm. How would I put this in words? It's just like leasing your best playlist on Spotify to your friend, but in really big numbers right here. And it's not just a playlist, it's algorithms that ByteDance actually been trying to keep since forever. That's why we've been having all of this selling or not. And for the market side, Oracle stock's already up double digits this month, and this deal could be rocket fuel for it. And I said rocket fuel, we're talking about like some aircraft. And Air Force One nearly kissed a Spirit Airlines jet over New York yesterday. Yeah, Trump's departure for London has been really dramatic, and so controllers literally yelled up, like, turn 20 degrees right now. Now, Spirit Airlines pilots took a little while to respond, and just Spirit Airlines, they can never get off the news. And President Trump lands in London with a whole royal treatment. And now it's not just King Charles, but we're going to have the biggest leaders from America. We're going to have Nvidia's Jensen Huang and OpenAI's Sam Altman. And they're selling the UK this quote-unquote AI sovereignty. It sounds legal, but in real terms, when we're talking about the European continent, they still run on US servers. Now, if the UK gets some speeches, Nvidia and OpenAI will actually get paid. Talking about Nvidia, China just iced their chips. Now, regulators in China told Alibaba, ByteDance, and the entire squad, cancel those RTX Pro 6000D orders. The deal is dead right now. And on top of that, there is this $7 billion Mellanox antitrust that hit a probe into Texas Instruments semis. And it's clear that China is just jacking this traction before Trump and Xi Jinping meet on Friday. For Nvidia, the stock's already down 1.26% pre-market for today, trading at around $172. And yeah, it's just, we will have to pay attention to what the Fed has to say today, because this is going to mark the following policies for the rest of the year. And put that in your reminder, your calendar, Google Calendar, whatever you use. It's just, you need to know what's happening with the Fed at 2 p.m. Wall Street time. And yes, thank you so much for starting your morning with me here at the Mina Markets morning briefing. My name is Sofia Cruz, and I will see you tomorrow. We're going to definitely be talking about what the Fed had to say. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you tomorrow.